हाय, वेलकम टू पढ़ाई प्लानट वंस मोर। और आज हमारे पास जो क्वेश्चन है दैट्स अगेन फ्रॉम सरफेस एरियाज एंड वॉल्यूम्स एंड इट इज़ फ्रॉम द फ्रस्टम. So the question says that there is a drinking glass, right, and that's in the shape of a frustum of a cone of height 14 centimeter. The diameters of its two circular ends are 4 centimeter and 2 centimeters, and we need to find out the capacity of the glass. अब capacity of the glass का मतलब है we need to find out the volume of the glass, right? And थोड़ा सा ये देख लेते हैं what is a frustum, how does it look like. So the frustum is basically you must have seen this in your books. फ्रस्टम कोन का एक हिस्सा होता है जिसमें टॉप पार्ट को कोन के कट करके निकाल दिया जाता है एंड इट इज समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, या सो this is a frustum, and if you want to understand it a bit more, then you can understand like this, that this part, right, this part, ये जो part था, this was cut from this original cone, and hence the blue part which is left, that is called as the frustum of the cone. And it is very simple. The volume of the formula for the volume of the frustum is equal to is like this: the volume of the frustum, right, of the cone. It is simple, very similar to the formula of the cone, और थोड़ा सा ही डिफरेंस है, and that is 1/3 pi h and r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 multiplied by r2, and the bracket closes. And r1 and r2 here are this radius of the smaller circular face of the frustum, and r2 is the bigger one, right? So this radius is r1 and this is r2, and this is h, right? This is the h of the frustum. This is h. So once we know all the values of these things, we can simply put all of it into this formula and we will get the answer. And we have all of it. So these are r1 and r2, and this is the h in the question. So let's put all these values and let's find out the answer. Now that is multiplied by 22/7, and h is 14, right? And now it says that the diameters, these are the diameters, right, which are given here, and that is 4 centimeter and 2 centimeters. These are the two diameters which are given. So that means the r1 will be 4/2, and that will be 2 centimeter. Similarly, the r2 will be 2/2, and that's 1 centimeter, right? So we have got the values of everything now, and now let's put the value of r1. r1 is 2, so that's like 2 square plus 1 square, because r2 is 1 here, plus the multiplication of r1 and r2, so that's like 2 multiplied by 1. Now further simplify it. 7 2s are 14, so this is like 44/3, right, and multiplied by 4 plus 1, that's 5, plus 2, so that's 7. So it's like 7, right? So let's further simplify it. So this is like 7 4s are 28, 2 carry, and 30, so over 3. Now if we further simplify it, so that's like 10, right, and 6.6, right, cubic centimeter. Now that's the capacity, right? That's the capacity of the glass, right? So I hope you could understand it. It was very simple. Thank you so much, and in case of any doubts or any clarification, please feel free to put that in the comment or in the messenger, and I keep coming back with the solutions. सारे solutions आपको वहाँ से मेरे मिलेंगे in the video form, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day and bye bye.